In today's competitive economy, productivity is everything. And nowhere is productivity and efficiency more important than in the extremely competitive building component industry. In a market like this, a small difference in productivity can be the key to a winning bid. With that in mind, the equipment division of Alpine Engineered Products designed the X4 linear saw, the most productive and efficient saw in the truss component industry. The amazing productivity of the X4 begins with its stack loader. The stack loader has an incline and stop to facilitate the forming of stacks of lumber up to 4 high. The operator interacts with the X4 via user-friendly commands displayed on a touchscreen. The X4 program instructs the operator what lumber stock is required for each stack and the pieces that will be cut. For optimum efficiency, the program also gives the sawyer information for preparing the next stack so it can be staged while the previous stack is being cut. The stack loader provides positive, reliable delivery of 1 to 4-piece stacks to the X4. The X4 in-feed system conveys these stacks into the saw at up to 8 feet per second. Like the revolutionary Alpine linear saw, the X4 is a single-blade saw featuring linear feed. But the X4, with its 22-inch blade powered by a 15-horsepower motor, can cut through a 4-high stack of lumber in a second and change angles for the next cut in less time than that. Calibration of the X4 is achieved by use of hard stops rather than limit sensors for accurate cutting from the moment the X4 is powered up. The X4 utilizes software with optimizing and nesting features that can reduce waste by as much as 8%. Further optimization can be achieved by enabling the standard pieces function. This function selects pieces from a list of your commonly used parts to utilize any remaining unused lumber. The optimization program automatically looks through the cut list of a job to find and give priority to all the pieces that can be cut in multiples of 4, then does the same for 3, 2, and 1 high stacks. The X4 is amazingly fast, efficient, and versatile, cutting a variety of parts without the setup time required by component saws. Its versatile hydraulic clamping system is so precise that the X4 can cut pieces as short as 2 inches with double cuts on both ends. The X4 can also cut scarves of unlimited length. The X4 differentiates between small parts and waste. Waste is ejected from the back of the X4 well away from the small parts, which are delivered to the front of the saw for sorting and labeling with an optional label maker. To handle the increased volume of parts streaming out of the X4, cut pieces are marked by an inkjet printer, then distributed to queues on both the front and back of the machine for easy sorting and stacking. And, like all of Alpine's automated equipment, the X4 is equipped for internet connectivity to facilitate the downloading of software updates and remote access by Alpine customer service technicians. The X4 is a safe, quiet, and very high-volume saw that produces more and costs less than most conventional automated component saws. The X4 can be an important asset to any plant. Alpine's exciting new X4 linear saw, the Alpine Productivity Champion.